What's up, everybody? My name's Adam Glick. We're out here filming my new cooking show. Outdoors, nothing but nature. And that's the way we were supposed to eat. So forget the expensive restaurants and follow our outdoor adventures. And come experience it in the wild with me, over a campfire with your best friends. I've been driving all around the country, and this is probably my 10th state I've stopped in. This is Central Florida near Tampa. Tampa, Florida is full of diverse activities. The paddleboarding, the scuba diving, the fishing, the possibilities are limitless. So I'll be meeting up with a Tampa local, Sydney Schwartz. She's gonna take me out fishing, hopefully put us on a good catch.
Hey, what's going on?
Did you see Tex?
I did. He was chasing that windsurfer.
How you doing this morning?
Good. What are you making?
Well, I was thinking about making some pancakes.
God, I love pancakes.
Well, here, hop on up. Show you how it's done. So we're gonna be out fishing all day long today, and I don't want to go hungry. So I think a pancake is a great way to go. It's very filling. I think by adding peanut butter, we get a nice protein pack in there, bananas, chocolate chips for some sugar. Get us going. One thing about mixing pancake mix is you don't overmix it. Overmixing creates an abundance of gluten, and gluten is what's tough and chewy. You don't want tough, chewy pancakes. You want tender, flaky pancakes. So the less you mix, the more tender. So growing up around here, I'm sure you kind of grew up on boats?
Yes. Yeah, we had a boat when we were younger. We fished there with my parents, and then as I got older, obviously friends had boats, and now I'm really into it. I mean, that's all I do every weekend. I mean, to hear the rod go off, just to hear it all clicking and screaming, there's just nothing like it.
Today, where do you think we're gonna have the best luck in going out and catching something?
Going just a little ways offshore. I know the Kingfish are here. I've heard they're here from a couple people.
Or that'd be killer.
Yeah.
I could fillet it on the beach, maybe find a sandbar, light up a fire, make some lunch.
That sounds perfect.
So we've got fresh buttermilk pancakes, okay, jazz apples, chocolate chips, peanut butter, and bananas.
That sounds incredible. That's insane.
Nailed it, right?
That's incredible, yeah.
It's the peanut butter.
It's the peanut butter.
It's the peanut butter in the
That's the best
pancake.
I've ever had.
Wow, thank you so much. Well, let's get going.
I'm ready. Let's
do it. We're out here at Treasure Island Reef. We're trying to hook up on Kingfish, basically a giant mackerel. Let's see what we can find. I think there's a kingfish. He's jumping all around the boat right now. Hell yeah, what'd you get? So when filleting a fish, there's a couple basic rules, but the general one is always keep your knife attached to the bone. The second you leave the bone, that means you're gonna be cutting into flesh. And you don't wanna cut into flesh, right? We want all the flesh intact on the skin. So that's pretty much all we need, are two little bias cut fillets like that. We'll stack them on top of each other in between two buns after having been blackened on a sandbar. Nice dry wood. So Sydney, we just caught a couple beautiful kingfish, right?
Yeah.
Big ones. I saw that thing you hooked up on. Woo! So we got a little fire going in here, this nice little pit. It's protected from the wind. Instead of just putting a piece of lettuce on my sandwich, I make a slaw. In this case, it's gonna have cabbage, it's gonna have tomato, it's gonna have cilantro, and it's gonna have red onion with some blackened fish and a little bit of that Cajun aioli. Bam. So Sydney, I've noticed in Florida they love blackened fish.
Yes.
I'm from Louisiana, so there's one thing I know how to do. It's blackened fish. All it takes is fresh fish, butter, and Cajun spice. So once we've completely coated our fish in Cajun spice, we're gonna drop it in a pan of smoking hot butter. That's what's gonna blacken it. Here's your butter. I'm gonna add it. Hear that? Woo! Whee! Here it goes. Drop your fish. See this? You can't do it wrong. We have completely cooked fish, we have warm buns, and we have a beautiful slaw. 3 components, and 1 delicious meal. Cheers.
Cheers.
Had a great time today.
Thanks for coming. It was
been
fun.
a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was fun.